Hi again! Today we are going to work with a little bit of science and about a new unit that is quite interesting and very useful for our daily life. We are going to study about structures, okay? What is a structure? A structure is a group of elements that can support weight or load, okay? Weight is something that can be heavy or light. For example, this is very light. However, if I try to move the whiteboard, it is heavy, okay? This is the weight or the load. The word we use for load in Spanish is carga, okay? Load is carga. Structures is quite similar to Spanish, estructuras, okay? We can find structures everywhere, but two of the most common are this swinging game and this shelf, okay? Usually structures are made of different elements, okay? Which are the elements we can find in structures? Girders, repeat with me. Girders, pillars, and load. Girders, pillars, and load. Okay, here we've got our example. What are the pillars? The pillars are the parts that are going to support all the weight. For example, these that you can see here are the pillars. This wood in here, you can see properly. I will try to move this. Are the pillars, okay? In this thinking, these are the pillars. This structure has 4 pillars. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, as well as in this shelf, there are 4 pillars too. 1, 2, 3, and 4. They are going to support, yes, they are going to give a strength to the structure. Okay, crossing and joining the pillars, there are the girders, vigas. For example, this line here is the girder. Sorry, I guess erase a little bit. This is the girder. In my bookshelf, okay, there are 3 girders. 1, 2, and 3. And they're going to support the load. And finally, we have the load. That is the main objective, to make a structure to support load. In this picture, the load is the boy that is singing, okay? And here, this cuddly teddy bear is the load on the bookshelf. In this shelf I had behind the whiteboard, all those books, all the books are the load. This is the girder, and this is the pillar, okay? If you have a look to the bookshelves you have at home, you can see it, okay? Also in a table, if you have a table, you would have the girder, the 4 legs are the pillars, and you can put weight on the table. For example, you can put a book, okay? This is a structure. Or in a chair, imagine that you want a chair too. You've got the girder on the chair, you've got the 4 pillars on the chair, okay? And then if you have here a person sitting down, well, you know I'm not very good at drawing, but if you have a person sitting down on the chair, this is the load. Okay, we can find the structures everywhere. I hope with this explanation you understand everything about it. Remember, structures are made of 3 components: girders, vigas, pillars, pilares, and load, carga. And a structure, I repeat it again, is a group of 3 elements that can support weight or load. And that's all. Bye bye!